In this exercise, we're going to touch briefly on importing in an AutoCAD drawing into Inventor. Come up here, I'm going to say create. I'm going to create a new part. My design robot -3. It's under chapter 13. Call this whatever. New arm is fine here. Select that face. Once I get into the sketch environment here, you come in here and say insert AutoCAD drawing. And then if I come in here to Infinite Skills, chapter 13, have a robot arm.dwg. Give it a second here. I could choose what layers I want. So if I had multiple layers in here, I could turn things on and off. If I like everything, I can keep it at all. If I don't like everything, I can come in here and select, one at a time what I want it to be. In this case, all is fine. I can choose different 3D import data and 2D import data based on what it has in it. Say finish, and it drops it out here. Now, what I can do is start constraining it. You can see there. Problem is nothing is constrained to anything else. So what I'll do is I'll do the automatic dimension here. Now I should be able to move this around and lock it into place. Finish. So now I have this new part that I can test out. I can use this sketch as is, or what I can do is come in here and start extruding it out. And it looks like it didn't close all the way. I can go in there and close it. So there's a lot of stuff I can do with this. But you can see it's really easy to import that in. So return. Then next we will insert another drawing file from AutoCAD, and we'll see the insert dialog open back up. Once I get my drawing open here, I can come through and turn on and off layers and get rid of all the stuff I don't need. So you can see what you need, what you don't need. Looks like everything I want is on layer 0. Check all. So I say, I just want this base view. I hit finish and it drops it in there for me. So now I can start extruding this out. And this is going to be some new base that I'm going to mount to and play with and create it for my robot. If it didn't create a perfect drawing, which it's known to do for whatever reason, you can come in here and start constraining it to get a good closed profile. Use the auto dimension here. See, it just goes crazy on you there. If it didn't give you a good sketch, you can hit the sketch doctor here. What it'll do is it'll let you go through and do a closed loop. It's asking me, hey, do you want to do this? Are you sure you want to do this? And whenever you get it done, you should end up with a good closed profile that you can extrude out. So as you can see, importing in AutoCAD files are very easy. You have a lot of control. Turn that back off there. And you can do a lot with them. Now, the biggest problem with them is they don't come over clean every time, so you do have to go through and constrain them. You may have to close some open profiles, depending on how bad the geometry was that was created with. I know these were closed good. It's just a matter of whenever the import happened, it didn't import them right. You would need to go through and basically flatten these out and close the profiles. Once you get done there, then you can extrude them, you can revolve them, whatever you need to do with them. But you can see how easy it is to import drawings into Inventor from AutoCAD. You can do the same thing with title blocks and drawing borders, so you can bring stuff back and forth from AutoCAD. It's very easy to do. So try to bring that in from AutoCAD and play with it a little bit and see what you can do.